In this video, you will learn how to use Klaviyo segments to measure the performance of your interactive emails. We utilize Klaviyo segments for performance analysis. This is preferable to traditional Klaviyo A/B test analytics, since Klaviyo doesn't always accurately attribute interactions within interactive emails. Because of this, we create these unique segments. To begin, navigate to Lists and Segments and click on Create New Segment. Name the segment, and then select a condition. We will filter people based on a property about them, using the Zamo test property that should have been created when you sent out your interactive emails. Depending on who you want to filter for, you'll select either Control or Interactive. For this demonstration, we'll choose Control. The first number that appears indicates the number of people who meet the specific criteria. In this case, Zamo test equals Control. In our Klaviyo account, there are 7 people who meet this condition. To filter further, click and filter for what someone has done or not done. We'll select people who have received an email at least once after the date you sent your campaign or flow on. For example, if we sent our campaign or flow on July 10th, we'd set it for received email at least once after July 10th. We'll also add an additional filter to attribute actions to a specific email. To do this, select Where, Message Equals, then select the campaign or email you want to pull numbers for. We'll pretend this email is the control email. This number shows the number of people that meet these conditions that we've just created. In addition to this, click OR and repeat the process for our interactive email. This was our control email, and now we want to apply the same conditions for our interactive email. The reason being, we want to be able to filter for either control or interactive email analytics in this segment. Let's repeat the process. Add a filter and select our interactive email. This middle segment filters for people who have received either the control or the interactive version of the email since the campaign or flow was sent out. Now, we want to include an additional filter for people who have interacted with the email. So far, we've only filtered for people who meet a specific condition regarding the test property and who have received these emails. We want to see those who have actually interacted with the email. So we'll select what someone has done or not done. Here, the metric you choose will depend on the interaction you're looking for. For this tutorial, we'll pretend we are looking for one-time add-ons. Let's try a Klaviyo one-time product added at least once, and we would set the same time frame as the other filters. Apply that. Then we would click OR and repeat the process, this time adding the Zamo version of the metric. We have these Zamo metrics because sometimes Klaviyo and other software integrations, in this case Klaviyo, don't always properly attribute interactions with the interactive emails. So we've created Zamo versions of each of these metrics to ensure that we don't miss counting any interactions. However, this won't double count any interactions, so you don't have to worry about that. And there you have it. This number here refers to the number of profiles in your account that meet these conditions. The number you're really interested in is this one right up here. This number at the top represents the intersection of all 3 conditions. This is the number you're truly seeking. Now, you can create this segment. As you can see, our segment is currently empty because this is a test account. However, in your segment, you should see a number of profiles. In the future, you have the option to clone this segment for further interactive email analysis, or you can simply edit the definition. You can adjust the filter here, as we're currently filtering for those who have received the control version. This can easily be changed to those who receive the interactive version. The number at the top, again, representing the intersection of all 3 filters, will then be updated